Bullying is a crime. Gossiping, rumors, insults, lies, threats, punishing, cyberbullying, using the computer, email, social media, racism, sexism. It's all a form of bullying, and it hurts mentally, physically, spiritually. It can break a person down. School safety is very important, and when parents send their children off to school, they hope they will come home with more knowledge and understanding and a hunger and thirst for knowledge. Unfortunately, too many children are experiencing bullying, whether it be isolation, being physically hit, mentally beat up, talked about. They go on the playground to play, and a group of students can make them their targets. It's unfortunate, but it is happening across the country and the world. As this graph shows, the worst states to live in for bullying for kindergarten through 12th grade is right here in California. The statistics are before you. Read them. Have you been bullied? Have you been a bully? Every 7 minutes, a child is bullied. In this class, one person has been bullied. There are stories all across this country of students being bullied at a young age, and they're taking their lives.
Born with a birth defect in his bowels. He had 26 surgeries. And still, parents say, always kind. Most children get bullied. They get to a point, they fight back. My son didn't have that. Saturday morning, 7 Charles Thomas Bridges. Be with us at jail. Mercy Strickland, we are to review documents and recordings released by the Columbia County Sheriff's Department about the investigation into the death of 5th grader Renaya Wright.
Restroom fight.
Parents related to she has a 13-year-old boy. George is from Seattle.
George, good morning. This boy's parents are worried and upset about this. They say he's so traumatized.
We must care. Our children are being bullied. It's happening everywhere. We must speak up, or we will lay our babies to rest.
When they see
a parent getting my kids to a school that's going to take care of them.
The incident happened in a middle school near Tacoma, Washington in February, but is just now coming to light.